can see black people taking pride in what they themselves produce. And by buying from your own and keeping the money within your own, then you start your project, your real economic base, which is to buy land from which to build your own black economy.
Today I'm going to speak on Tyler Perry versus Byron Allen in a motherfucking race to buy majority stake of BET. Yes, BET, the media company we all grew up watching with the freestyle battles on Friday.
Once upon a time, there was a wannabe goon. He grew up in Plainfield, and his friends called him Moon. Nah, let's be honest, his friends call him Ernest, and I ain't had to go to Jefferson High to learn this. The only thing we got is hunger for the bread. Keep following your idol, and you're gonna be ahead. And keep battling with me, you're gonna end up dead. And I ain't gotta yell at you, you heard what I said.
I want to talk about how this is yet another power move for both Byron Allen and Mr. Tyler Perry, with them going into a bidding war over the entertainment business, the Black Entertainment Network / the streaming company that is attached to BET, which is BET Plus. BET is known as one of the best brands in black entertainment, and it now is for sale. The fact that one of the two of the most powerful black African Americans, Paramount Global, includes not just the BET cable network but also the sister station VH1, right? A production company in what some see as the BET Plus streaming service. Okay, and by them acquiring this big media entertainment business, they can come in and then have complete power over millions of watchers that subscribe to either the BET, which is free, or the streaming service, which is obviously a subscription based service that they pay for. And Tyler Perry is able to come out with TV series, movies. He's able to, fully own the media empire. And again, Byron has invested over $1 billion in the last 3 years to acquire, a few different media companies, which is 27 ABC, NBC, CBS, and Fox affiliates. By Paramount being interested in selling off the majority of the ownership, this will increase the views within the black audience to maybe subscribe to Paramount. So if they bring in more of the black audience, maybe Paramount can then, make their money off the Paramount Plus streaming services, and Paramount can then integrate more black entertainment within, their domain. The owner of Paramount Global, Scott Mills, is only selling off assets so he can, have the long-term play, right? We're going to see who will acquire that majority share in BET. Byron Allen actually acquired the Black News Channel for $11 million, with the local news and HBCU Go and a few more outlets that he acquired. By him being able to do his thing, and let's say he gets it, he'll be able to bring in his newfound apps and all the things that he's been able to buy with this money, and yeah, man. So basically, I'm gonna break it down like this: the strategy towards acquiring BET for Tyler Perry. If Tyler Perry buys BET, it becomes an asset, right? This could vault his Atlanta-based film and his television production empire into a new world of content distribution, giving Mr. Tyler Perry a different line into millions of households, right? So, like I said earlier, anything that he drops, he has complete access, giving him a complete, highway towards every lane in the film game. So he will complete his empire by having, this deal cemented, right? Mr. Byron Allen, if he purchased the deal, this could cement his hold on the cable game. And as far as broadcasting his empire, which includes the Atlanta-based Weather Channel and many other, like I said, the HBCU Gold, the local Now, the Black News Channel, this will bring in all these other companies that he owns onto this major platform, and they will completely dominate. So this is a chess game, this is a chess match, right now. Ain't no telling what these guys are bidding for. And yeah, man, I just wanted to speak on different things that we can look out for as far as BET getting into the hands of black owned moguls that are actually in the media game. Tyler Perry has already came from being homeless to dropping movies with BET, and I believe it had to be early 2000s. I can't give you the exact date, to him buying and acquiring his own Hollywood in Atlanta, you know what I'm saying, and him having his own line of movies and different catalogs of his body of work, and yeah, man, it's just good to see that this is something. It's good to see black people trying to take that over and not putting that in the hands of others, so I'm excited to see what happens with this. I had to really speak on this and see, what I can kind of get some game on it. And yeah, we'll see. Paramount Global is a $1 billion organization, and the fact that they want to sell off majority of BET Media Group. This is interesting. That means they don't know what to do. They don't know how and what attracts. So the audience isn't there. Obviously, it probably ain't working like they wanted to, and they don't want to, they don't want to run it into the ground. Yeah, I just wanted to come in. I wanted to speak on, Mr. Tyler Perry and Byron Allen, going into this chess match in this bidding war. And yeah, I don't know. I kind of want Tyler Perry to acquire it, but I wouldn't be mad if Mr. Byron Allen got it as well. Long as one or the other gets it, that's all I care about. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, man, that's all I got. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and make sure you comment down below. Let me know what you think of, this newfound knowledge. And let me know what you think of these moguls making this move, trying to acquire BET, and the owner trying to sell off majority shares, and Paramount Global trying to integrate a black mogul, so that way it increases the views, which increases their subscribers to Paramount Plus streaming service. And yeah, it gets deep, man. Same thing with Stars with 50 Cent. Stars ain't nothing without 50 Cent in power. And yeah, man, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any other ideas, any other concepts, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. And when you subscribe, leave me some stories, some new ideas. And yeah, man, I appreciate y'all. One love.